It's evening time and it's dinner time, so I'm going to get ready for dinner. My vacation makeup routine. This is the sunscreen that I use, but it's nighttime, so we'll skip that. Just put on my moisturizer. I'm gonna put on my primer, which is this one. It's like a color correcting primer. Well, I'm gonna put on a lot, but I like this one. I've honestly worn it like without makeup sometimes, just for color correction, and they say to do that, so I feel like my skin is doing pretty good. Probably because it likes the climate. I'm not gonna retwist my hair until I go back home because I'm just gonna get it wet again. First, I'll wet it. My Eco Styler, this isn't really what I use to retwist my hair. I usually use like something a little bit. Actually, I've already done a retwist video, so never mind. So I'm just going to retwist the edges so that the ponytail is somewhat neat. And then I'm just leaving the back how it is. Before my nap, I had an acai bowl, and fun fact, I actually hate acai bowls. I don't hate them, but I don't like them. I understand the hype. I just never been one for the hype. I think I want one again for breakfast or something. My nails kind of chopped. Use this mini mousse that I got. I retwisted like 6 strands, just the first row. Use the mousse that I have. Like, grab this hair. Alright. I feel like it kind of breaks me out on my hairline. So I'm just gonna like pull it down. Boom. Doing my brows. I don't really do much. I just draw like a line. That's good enough. This is my favorite part. The hike we went on was so intense, it literally, I thought I was gonna pass out. I didn't think I was gonna make it. It was the hardest hike I've ever done. It just kept going and going. Alright, still kind of wet. This is the one I really like. It's by CoverGirl BB Cream. I've been using CoverGirl BB Cream forever. Got this one, the Milk. It's a grip gel skin tint, and this one's cool because it has a bunch of good stuff. Something good for your skin. So for all my problematic skin girlies, I would suggest it. It's not too thick, so skin is pretty even, more even than it usually is, and even still I have like some discoloration. Yeah, just a little bit, because again, it's hot as fuck. Even at nighttime, hot as fuck, like 80 degrees. So, yes, we just blend it out. I think we're gonna go, because dinner is included, we're gonna go just eat it. We've just been eating it every time, but we're still gonna go out to dinner because we wanna try new things, and we only have a couple more days. Like I'm saying, we're gonna go get a snack, but I'm definitely gonna get a whole plate of food. I've been wanting to come back to Brazil for so long. I still can't even believe I'm here. Like, why does it still feel surreal, even though it's day 4 or something? So, this is how much I have left. See how perfect the blend is? Blush from Milk Makeup. Swerve, the orangey tone. So I've just been putting it like on the back of my hand. Just a little bit. Bring these down. And then the final touch for the face is just some rose water that I use it like setting spray. I'm gonna let you guys in on the secret. That is my vacation perfume combo, and it's perfect. It's perfect. So first thing, for perfume, I'm using this Sun-Kissed Goddess by Killian. I kind of go overboard. I don't care. We only live once. It's sweet and it's fresh. So it kind of smells like baby powder, but also florally sweet. Also, when I was a kid, my favorite perfume was Baby by Gwen Stefani, the LAMB, the little baby with the afro. I'll insert a picture. And that literally smelled like baby powder. Then for the whole body, I do this Sol de Janeiro in 68. This to me smells like pretzels, like sweet pretzels. That's the only way I can describe it. I just go OD with that. And that's my combo. I think my camera has them or bad. I don't really know. So that is the look. My eyes are so red. But yeah.